Hey guys, welcome to the channel, The X-Wing. My name is James and we're doing suburban stations and trains, and today we're at Heatherdale Station. That's one station away from Ringwood. So we're going to have a bit of a look at the surrounding areas and also potential steam train coming through our movie set. So no further ado guys, let's roll the intro. Yeah, so we made it down the other end of the platform 2. Now the main road is underneath this bridge here, and most of the stations up the top there, so we'll have a look at that before we leave. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. I mean, this is not a bad view. You could probably set up shop here and watch the train coming around the corner there, but overall it's not bad. I don't particularly, not a big fan of that stuff, but that's better than East Ringwood. East Ringwood, yeah, that's no good. And I've already made plenty of comments about that in the past. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, definitely a unique station. Very wide. Yeah, the car parking situation's a little bit more difficult per se. But yeah, it's actually a very clean station too. I've seen a lot of stations that look a bit dirty looking, but I must admit this is quite clean to some of the ones I've seen so far. We've got a Sparky train coming out on platform 1. We'll just go down here and film it. Yeah, it's always good to see the steam train coming through our movie set. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. But yeah, that's part of the Union shuttles running between Union Station and Flinders Street today. So yeah, it was pretty awesome. I was going to go down this way, but we've got another train coming, so hopefully we'll film this train when it comes through. Shouldn't be too far anyway. But the station itself is very good. I like it very much. Right.
Going up.
Yeah, we are going up, yep. Close the doors. These lifts are very typical oh sorry, I was just wondering what was going on there. I was wondering why the lift wasn't moving, but I was meant to press a button because certain ones are automatic. So yeah, so there we go. So there we go down there, that's the view from where we just were before. Yeah, I could easily go to platform 1, but yeah. But you sort of get the logistics of it. I like this part of it. This is pretty good. Yeah, so the original train station used to be over there. So all this has all been redeveloped. They've moved the station from here to basically here, and for the redesign, you know, obviously this is all part of the removal network of the level crossings, and yeah, so. But that's a view. This is a view I did a little while ago with the steam train with the Tate set, and yeah, it is a fantastic view here. It's really good. But we won't, as I said, we won't go down to platform 1, but you get the idea of it. And there's the other side of platform 2 there, where we were just before. We'll go out and just have a bit of a look here. Not much to look here, except if you like looking at power lines. They're fairly big. This is interesting. Oh, this is a bike path here. Oh, that's not bad. Something I can keep in mind for next time. But yeah, it's definitely interesting. For artistic type of station, this is not a bad station per se. It's quite good actually. As I said, it's got the right colour for it. A lot more different to some of the underground stuff that we've done. You know, obviously every underground station is a lot more different to what you normally see on different lines. So I should imagine as time goes by, we'll definitely see that. The train station car park's just over there. We won't go over there, but this is the main road. And there you go, there's the main road here. So yeah, it's not not bad. It's a good little station, and yeah, it's very good. Well, guys, I hope you like looking at the Heatherdale Station. Yeah, it's quite a different station to what we normally do, especially for the underground. And so, yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support on this series. And as I always say, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the X-Wing. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future video content. And always press like because it really helps the channel. And comment and share. Until next time, guys. Catch ya. Cheers.